we're going to have a look at adding colors together using processing. So open it up, set it up like this, and let's go ahead and write a normal, very simple program with a couple of little changes, things that we haven't done before. So you haven't seen this OpenGL, that just puts it into a special graphics mode that should work. If all the colors and things go wonky on your computer, then try taking it out like that, but it should be fine. Okay, now that just sets, I thought 600 would be a good size for us to play with. You don't have to do anything particularly with that. And we're going to add in a special command here called blend mode. So let's add that in. So blend mode just tells the computer how to add colors together. So if two colors are overlapping, it does something special with them today. Normally it would just show them. So this is new. Notice the capitalization here, here, and here as well. If you get that wrong, it won't know what you're talking about. All right, because we're going to experiment with this one here and adding colors together, which is how computer screens and TVs work, we need to start off with a black background so there's no light coming out. So background 0 will do that. Then we're going to create, let's say, a red square. So red is all red, no blue, no green. There we go, and let's draw a rectangle somewhere on the screen, let's say 50 across, 50 down, and let's make it a good size. Let's do it something like 200 by 200. Okay, so that should draw a red square on the screen. Let's just make sure that it does. We've got everything right so far, and that OpenGL is working for us. That's the graphics mode. Okay, good. So there's a red square. That's exactly what we'd expect. What I'd like you to do now is to go ahead and draw a blue square and a green square. So to do that, you'll need to change the fill color so that this is, let's say, blue. Here we go. Draw another rectangle and then do the same, draw a green one. So you've got 3 rectangles on the screen. Then have a go at making them overlap. And when they overlap, the colors should add together. That's what this add here does. So this is an experiment for you to see what happens when we add those colors together. And when all 3 rectangles overlap, what color are we going to get? Okay, so go ahead and have a play with that and see if you can get a final picture with 3 rectangles. Some of the areas on the screen have 2 overlapping, but one area has to have all 3 rectangles overlapping so you can see what happens to the colors and how they add up. Take a screenshot of that and pop it into your ePortfolio.